To hide files on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to set up secure folder on your device. I've made a dedicated video on how to set up secure folder. Here in security, we'll be able to find more security settings, secure folder, and then your secure folder needs to be set up to continue. So you can watch this video on my channel, and when your secure folder is ready, you need to find it and open it. Usually you can find it on the home screen or apps screen, and then you can add any files that you want to hide. So let's click on this on this three dots and then select add files. That way you'll be able to select any files that you want to hide, and then make sure to move them, not copy them. That way they will be moved and only accessible through your secure folder. And as you can see, the photo is right here. It is protected by password, but you will need to make sure that you always lock and exit it before you go out. And then you need to enter a password, and now, as you can see, it's hidden. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.